This little 4-pill custom box refilled. Just unhooked the sideband and preamp like you asked. Took them out, got them out of the way. Just a straight on and off 4-pill box. We're gonna look at radio drive. I'm gonna turn him off. We'll look at our straight through first. Straight through SWR. Wide. Turn it on, input SWR. Nearly nothing. 0, worldwide. This is our 1000 watt slug PEP radio drive. Worldwide, 500 feet. On our LP. Worldwide, get on down, worldwide, gets this radio drive, worldwide. We're gonna kick on a little drive here. So we're gonna be kicking him with worldwide, we're gonna kick him with 200 watts peak. Turn it back on. 1000 watt slug, average power. Worldwide, hello audio. Worldwide, what's on 500 talking forward? 1000 watt PEP. Worldwide in our corner. Looking over at our LP. Worldwide. Turn on scope mode. I don't know how it's going to look with the driver on. We'll try. Not bad. Inspection. The driver's a little bit nasty. Oh, audio, worldwide, 1136. Hello, audio, 400 peak, 400 average, 1136, 11,000 peak with 200 watt drive. Get on down, worldwide. Alright, bud, there's your box. Got 4 new pills in it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Go for N10, 0 on 8 babies. Catch you later. Bye-bye.